In this video, we'll show you how to manage your reconciliation tasks for a client inside the Books Close feature in Intuit Accountant Suite. Start by navigating to Books Close. Open the close you want to review, then select the Account Reconciliation area. Here you'll see all bank accounts and credit cards listed as reconciliation tasks. These types of accounts are automatically added here by default. Each row lists the account name, the last reconciliation date, the ending balance, the task due date, the team member assigned to the task, and the status of the task. When you're ready to begin reconciling an account, select View Reconcile to start the process. This will open a window where you can go through the reconciliation process. Here you can easily switch to your preferred experience. Once you're done, click the X to return your Books Close file review workflow. Once that account is reconciled, you can mark that task complete like this. To edit the list of accounts, select Add or Remove. Check the accounts you want to include or uncheck the accounts you don't want in this client's reconciliation tasks. Now you know how to manage your reconciliation tasks within the Books Close feature.